Hi friends, welcome to my class. First of all, my name is Abdul Mohamin. In this class, I'm going to explain you 5 topics: harvesting, harvest festivals, threshing, winnowing, and combine. These are the 5 festivals which I'm going to explain you in this class. Without wasting much of our time, let's go on to our topics. So our first topic is harvesting. What is harvesting? The process of cutting and gathering a mature crop is known as harvesting. So for a crop for being mature, it will take like 3 or 4 months. If a crop is matured, it will be in the color of a golden yellow color, as you can see in the below picture. 6 or 7 farmers are harvesting the matured crops. Okay. Once again, the process of cutting and gathering a matured crop is known as harvesting. Nothing else. Now let's go on to our next topic. Our next topic is harvest festivals celebrated in India. There are many festivals celebrated in India, but 6 festivals are also known as harvest festivals. India celebrates harvest festivals such as Baisakhi, Holi, Pongal, Diwali, Nabanya, and Bihu. These are the 6 festivals which India celebrates as harvest festival. As you can see in the below pictures, first one shows Baisakhi festival, second one Nabanya, third Bihu, fourth Diwali, fifth Pongal, and sixth Holi. These are the 6 festivals celebrated in India as harvest festival. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's go on to our next topic. Our next topic is harvesting of grain crops. How are grain crops harvested? Most of the grain crops are ripped close to the ground manually with the help of a sickle or by harvester machine. So farmers manually use a sickle for harvesting the crops. Cutting the crops. If they go for automation, they use harvester machine, as you can see in the right picture. Nothing else. Once again, most of the grain crops are ripped close to the ground manually with the help of a sickle or by a harvester machine. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's go on to our next slide. Our next topic is threshing. What is threshing? The process of separating grains from the stalk of the crop plant is called threshing. There are 3 ways of threshing, as you can see in the below pictures. The first one shows threshing by hitting on a hard surface. In this way, the farmers catch the stalk in their hand and beats on a hard surface such as stone or wood. While beating on this hard surface, the grain gets separated and the stalks lay in the farmer's hands. The next way is by force threshing. In this process, the farmer spreads the crop on the ground and allows the cattle to walk on them again and again. While the cattle walk on them, the grains get separated and the stalks get crushed. While the stalks gets crushed, it can be given to the cattle as food. And the third way is to use a machine for threshing, which is known as threshing machine, as you can see in the right picture. The farmer puts the stalk in this machine and the machine separates the grains from the stalks. Okay, once again, the process of separating grains from the stalks of the crop plant is called threshing. I hope you understood. Now let's go on to our next topic. Our next topic is winnowing. What is winnowing? The process of separating grains from the chaff and hay with the help of wind is called winnowing. In this process, they mainly use wind. Wind is the main tool used in this process, so that the name of this process is known as winnowing. So after threshing, you get 3 items: chaff, wheat, and hay. As you can see in the below picture, chaff is the outer covering of the wheat, which you can see in the middle picture, and the hay is the unwanted particles. We need only the wheat. How to separate this chaff and hay from this wheat? Let's see. Okay. You can see in the left side a farmer is putting the mixture of this chaff, grain, and hay at a higher level. While this mixture fall down, the grains being heavier fall directly on the ground, and the hay and chaff being lighter will be carried away by the wind. In the middle picture shows the same thing. It is drawn by myself. In the right side, you can see a winnowing machine. Farmers puts the grains mixture of this grain, chaff, and hay into this machine, and the machine separates the grain from the chaff and hay. Okay, now let's go to our next topic. Our next topic is combine, which is a very important discovery in the part of field. A combine is a huge machine which can do all the three processes: cutting, threshing, winnowing, all in one single process. Okay, in the left side you can see a combine drawn by myself, and in the right side you can see a combine. While it goes further, it does all these processes and it separates the grain from them, and you can obtain fresh grain from them, and you can directly send to the market for selling. Once again, a combine is a huge machine which can do all the three processes: cutting, threshing, winnowing, all in one single process. I hope you understood. Let's go on to sorry. I hope you understood all my topics. Now I'll prove it if you know or not. I'll ask 5 questions. Are you ready to answer? Okay. My first question is, what is harvesting? I'll give you 20 seconds. You must say by it yourself or write in a paper. Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Now I'll display the answer. So the answer is, the process of cutting and gathering a mature crop is known as harvesting, which is my first topic which I explained to you. Now I'll display the second question. How are grain crops reaped? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Now I'll display the answer. The answer is, the grain crops are reaped close to the ground with the help of a sickle or by a harvester machine, which is my second topic which I explained to you. Now I will display the third question. The third question is, what is threshing? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Now I will display the answer. So the answer is, the process of separating grain from the harvested stalks is known as threshing, which is my third topic which I explained you. Okay, now I will display the fourth question. Fourth question is, what is winnowing? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Now I will display the answer. So the answer is, the process of separating grain from the chaff is known as winnowing, which is my fourth topic which I explained you. Now I'll ask you the final question. Are you ready to answer? Okay. So my fifth question is, what are combines? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Now I will display the answer. Answer is, sorry. So the answer is, combines are machines that are used in big farms for cutting, threshing, and also separating the grain from the chaff. I hope you understood my class.